Hi, I'm Kyrylo Martyniuk. I'm CEO and co-founder of OptilinEx, and also I'm a student at the University of Tartu. OptilinEx is an Estonian company that produces fiber-optic communication systems for FPV drones. And now we're scaling into producing full cycle of fiber-optic FPV drone. Starting from 2022, FPV drones have been one of the most efficient type of weapon in our war. But as Ukrainian experience shows, when you develop efficient product, there is going to be countermeasurement from your enemy. That's why electronic warfare take a big step, and it decreases the efficiency of digital fiber-optic FPV dramatically. So that's why the logical step further was to develop something that would be resistant to electronic warfare. The technology of fiber-optic FPV drones is doing exactly this. So how does it work? On your FPV drone, you have fiber-optic spool, which is from the one side connected to the drone itself, and from another side, it is connected to the pilot controller. So the pilot have constant signal via this fiber-optic cable. And when the drone is flying, the fiber is unspooling, leaving it behind, the cable behind, and thus the drone is resistant to any electronic warfare on its way to the target. And the only way how you can actually countermeasure it is by physically destroying it. So now the fiber-optic FPV drones became the most efficient type of weapon in our war, because digital ones are influenced by electronic warfare, and the improvement of it is going to continue. So Ukrainians and Russians are going to continue and develop even further this technology. In 2025, together with our Ukrainian partner company, we supplied more than 50,000 of those type of drones to the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine. Hundreds of them are used every day by more than 90 drone pilot units all over the front line. Every day we have a lot of feedback going directly from the pilots who are using it, with ideas, developments and improvements. That's why we are constantly improving our product, and that's why our main mission is to create products that will help change the situation on the front line and that will meet the needs of our army. My vision on European defense development is into taking the best technologies and solutions from Russia-Ukrainian war, then bring it to Europe, make further development in R&D, and then start to mass produce it. Because only efficient, cheap, and expendable solutions can change the situation in modern war. And that's what we are doing in OptilinEx. We do products for soldiers that really works on the front line. Now we're looking for the contracts with European governments. We're also open to any cooperation with armies, with drone pilots, with defense clusters, and with other defense companies who do real working products. So if you're interested, you can just write me the email. Thank you, and Slava Ukraini!